Yo, what's up guys? It's Crazily Plays here, back with another video. Hi guys, what's up? This is my new Sim Family kind of playthrough series. So we've got me, Lily Fox, my friend Cara Laws. These are our like real last names, obviously. And of course we have Zargi. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the household thing. So guys, we can live in this house. It's just a 4 bedroom, but we've only got 3 people. We have a 2 bedroom house. We have another 1 bedroom. Okay. Um, don't know whether to get this one or not. The Hound's Head. Wait, oh, there's one here. I never saw this one before. Oh, someone downloaded Fox. Okay, so someone's playing with us right now. Not with us. I'm gonna choose different household. No, not different house. Different house. So we have this house, 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 this house. This empty lot, but I think I found the house. So guys, this is gonna be our house, so let's move in. So this is our new house. So let's explore it. So kitchen, lounge, dining thingamajig. This will be our living room with a TV, of course. Oh, we've got a cozy little fireplace bit as well. Bathroom, dining room, anything under here. I could always renovate that to make it into like a wee bathroom. We've got our outside area. That's all for downstairs. Let's move upstairs. So when you come up the stairs, you've got this bathroom. 1 bedroom. Oh my god. 2 bedroom. 3 bedroom. This is big bedroom. And another bathroom. So we're gonna have a bathroom each. Up here. Are we? No. So I'm gonna renovate some of the bedrooms and make it like us. So I'll see you after I've renovated it. Okay guys. So I've made the house. Downstairs is the same. But upstairs there's been a lot of renovation, as you guys can see. So after you come up the stairs, if you walk this way, there's a balcony, and at least into my room. But if you go like this way, turn left. This is my room, and then this is my bathroom. I was going to say it does not have a toilet, but it does. Then if you go straight, this is Kara's room with her bathroom. Then if you turn right, this is Zara's bedroom with her bathroom. And yeah, that's all I've basically done. So yeah, we're gonna lock the doors for everyone but the Sim who owns like the bedroom. So I'm gonna go do that now. Okay, so I locked the doors for them and stuff. So I'm gonna go and like totally. And Zara can just um Zara can go watch TV. Watch the cooking show for ideas. Then Cara can play the game. Cara can oh no. Cara can do homework. I can do homework. Yeah, we're both doing. Why don't we just both? Lily, Cara, what are you doing? These are literally just doing homework outside. I'm going to take a photo. Amazing. So while I am doing my homework, Kara's just blabbing and not doing her homework. How fun. So let's speed this up a little bit. Zara's still watching TV because she's weird. Let's see. Now we're both just closed our books and literally talking to each other. So guys, I'm gonna see you guys soon once they've done their homework and they're ready. Don't know for doing what, but you know, getting inside the house probably. So we are all going to grab a slice of this, but you did not just do that, dude. It's not fair. Whoa. So Zara, how did? Okay, never mind. Okay, so we just grab it somehow out of nowhere. Like, amazing. Well done. Well done. Look, just grabbing it out of nowhere. Okay. Zara can now do her homework because me and Cara have done it. Let's pause and oh god, look at Cara. She's like not even touching. Woo! Oh my god, I thought we had linked atoms, but that just looks so funny. Okay. So after I eat that, I'm gonna well, Zara does her homework. I'm going to let's light. No, save that for nighttime. Save that for nighttime. Because it's only 10:58 a.m. I'm going to invite neighbors. Okay, there's no mail. Greet new neighbors. Okay. And now Cara can invite Don Thero. Invite neighbors in. Okay. Hi, I'm sitting on a bench eating stuff. Do you like my jeans? Jeez. What are you? Yeah, he's an adult. What? No, thank you. Why do I want to ask you that anyway? More choices. Oh no, I don't want. Enthuse about fruitcake. Let's do that. Cara, what are you doing? Okay, you can talk to this girl too. Invite neighbors in. Do you want to come in? Yeah, sure. Okay. I'm just talking to this guy. Now he just walked away. That's rude. Very, very rude. Anyway, guys, that's it for episode 1. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and also subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you next time. Bye!